Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers or enable free layers to make editing easier. So if I select new project here, I do have free layer turned on, so I can't really show you how to order it, but I feel like you should just turn on free layers instead because it does make editing easier. So what that basically means is that when I add a video here, I add another video on top of it, and I add like another one, this will always stay on top, and you don't have to order the layers here. As you can see, I don't have it anymore because I turned on free layer. But to turn on free layer, just go to modify, go to details here, and enable free layers. It can't be turned off though. Or you can go to menu and go to settings and go to where is it? Oh, go to edit and enable free layer here to do it for all of your projects. Here, I'll show you what I mean if I turned off the free layer. So just go to library and add in some like random videos like on top of each other. Here I need to order the layers, and that's very like annoying to do. So if I put this on top, it will still be on the bottom. I have to like put it as like the second layer, but if I used free layers, I don't have to do that. The ones on top of the video will always stay on top, if you understand what I mean. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!